Yo, you got a 6. I got to be suspended. The reason why to be turned to pay. You're on a naughty list. You're not on a list. You got to get today a bad morning. I didn't told you to say what you do with this. I told you to say be there to be stupid. And reason why to be turned but for this what you to do. You are suspended. Get over here.